Redmi Note 5 Pro. First of all, we are going to give away a new Redmi Note 5 Pro to one lucky person, and details on how to participate will be given later in this video. Out of the box, you get protective case, Note 5 Pro, instruction manuals, charger cable, charger, and the SIM ejector itself. As for the specification goes, Note 5 Pro comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 636, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of memory, 20MP front camera, 12MP plus 5MP dual rear camera, and 4000mAh battery. Now let's get into the durability test. At front, we have 5.99-inch Full HD plus 18:9 display with 403 ppi. It is protected by Gorilla Glass. Let's check how it survives the screen test using Mohs hardness determining kit, plastic screen scratches at level 3, tempered glasses at 6, and sapphire at 7. You can see light scratches at level 6 and deeper grooves at level 7. Therefore, no need to worry about any day-to-day scratches. The entire front is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass, so it doesn't pick any scratches in the front, including the screen, 20MP front camera, as well as the sensors placed on front side. The earpiece is made of metal, there's no way of removing it. At back, the dual camera setup looks identical to the iPhone X. It is also covered by the same protection glass in front, except the flash cutout, which is made up of plastic. The Mi logo is prone to scratches and can fade away in day-to-day usage. The back is made of metal, but the top end and the bottom end is made of plastic in order to allow signal waves entering and leaving the phone. The sides are also made of metal, so no need to worry about dents during drop. The volume rockers and the power button is also made of metal. The SIM card tray is also made of metal. Since the bottom and top ends are made of plastic, you can see them getting peeled off by my razor blade. At bottom we have speaker grills, ancient old USB port, headphone jack. The fingerprint sensor after scratches cannot recognize as well as add new fingerprints, so make sure you don't damage or scratch them. Now let's do bend test. You guys said me to do bend test before drop test, so here it is. What you guys say really matters a lot. At first bend, you can see the screen pops out from the body. It's not a big deal at all, it happens in every phone. And you can see there is no deformation or any cracks in the body. It's a Xiaomi device, so no need to worry about anything. Now let's try one more time. Still the same pop issue, nothing else. Great work, Xiaomi. Redmi Note 5 Pro comes with a special thermal design with dual graphene sheets which not only reduces temperature but also resists water entering the internals of the device. The phone survived for more than 2 minutes under the water and still works perfectly without any damages. But the water enters through the headphone jack, triggering headphone icon in the notification bar. Let's check one more time. Perfect. No need to worry about anything. The phone still works perfectly, even the cameras. Both the front and rear camera work perfectly without any smudges or delays. Now let's do drop test. As Xiaomi says, it has reinforced corners which reduces the impact on the screen when you drop it. But here you can see the left bottom end is slightly deformed or separated from the phone's body. This is drop of dead. No phone till now except Honor 7X has passed it. Let's check whether Note 5 Pro survives it or not. Bam! The front glass is shattered from top to bottom. This is a practical test, just in case the phone slips from your hand while talking. So, please apply a tempered glass and case as soon as you get it. In our guess, the front glass should be Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Now let's check out whether the protection glass and camera bump survives or not. Yes, the camera survives. So, as for the giveaway goes, it starts from today, that is 10/3/2018 to 24/4/2018, which means the giveaway runs for 45 days. All you need to do is share this video, follow Durabilitymark in Twitter, my personal account in Twitter. All the links will be provided in the description below. And finally, you need to comment why you need Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. We will pick the winners randomly from the comment section on 26/4/2018. So, update your email address in about section of your YouTube account. All the updates regarding the giveaway will be posted in my personal Twitter handle as well as in the comment section of this video. The winner will get a new sealed Redmi Note 5 Pro or equal worth of gift card from Flipkart. Hope you guys win. See you in my next video. Peace.